Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap new Port Richey local and long distance movers near me. A long distance move is over 50 miles from your current location. We have a lot of experience planning long distance moves. We follow an organized system. We work with the best movers and moving equipment. Our movers are careful with your belongings. Our moving trucks are also top standard. Our customer service is exceptional. We are always ready to go the extra mile to appease you. For fast delivery, we study local and major roads and know the fastest routes to your new address. We are also very particular about the safety of your belongings, both the solid and fragile ones. Our local distance services are very efficient. We deliver the best local distance moves in Newport Richey FL at budget-friendly prices. We are also available to handle urgent moves. We have significant insurance policies that cover risk liability during the move. Our hourly rate is the cheapest you can get. We charge as low as $30 to $40 per hour. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our new Port Richey moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.